Welcome back to the channel. Today we are standing in front of one of our MORryde installs. If you have a MORryde or if you've recently gotten a MORryde, you might want to stick around and listen to these tips.
Tech Time Tuesday.
Today we're sitting in front of one of the MORryde independent suspension systems we put onto this trailer. It's coming in for its yearly maintenance. He's had it for about a year, so now he's coming in to get the alignment checked. We're going to head over here. I'm going to show you what we're talking about, but before that, if you want more of these tips, make sure to like and subscribe so it can keep popping up on your feed. We're going to head over here. So when we at Henderson's install these MORrydes, we specifically set the camber more positive. So that is going to be the top of the tire out here more. As it sags out throughout the year of you owning it and riding around in it, that camber is going to become more negative. So that is what we're accounting for when we do that initial alignment. The customer here today is here for his 1 year alignment. He wants to check the numbers, make sure that everything is looking right. So if you follow me over here, we're going to show you what his numbers have been after just 1 year of riding around in it. Now that we're over here at the computer, taking a look at the numbers, we could see that his camber is negative, more negative than it should be. As you can tell by the red, we like to see these numbers up here at positive 0.2 and positive 0.2. Right now they're negative, more negative than they should be, so we're going to align him. We're going to make sure that he gets up and going the way he should, that he's in that range. As you can tell though, after 1 year, he has sagged out pretty significantly. So that's why we encourage you guys to come and get this checked after 1 year. Make sure that you are driving the way you should be and that your tires are wearing the way they should be. We keep doing this so that we can have you guys driving safer and happier.
Tech Time Tuesday.